Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate you taking the time to come over and say hi. We have a Kinder beauty box today and they are sponsoring this video, so let's get into it and check it out. Today we have the Kinder beauty box and they were nice enough to send this over for us to review. Because we're doing that, we have a code 50 Kathrin. If you sign up for a 6-month or more subscription, they have the nicest ROSE set. That's a $100 set that you get free for just signing up, and you will get $13 off your subscription. So what I love about the Kinder beauty box is it's cruelty-free, vegan, and clean beauty. So when we open it up, this is what it looks like on the inside. We have our paperwork and then all of our goodies. So that is what we have. So we're going to dig right in and check it out. It tells us on the back a little bit about everything that's in here. And it doesn't say my latest email, but I'm pretty sure if you do 50 Kathrin, it will also get you 50% off your first box if you do a single box subscription. This is the inhale box. We'll have 5 products. First out, we have the, Sugar Cookie Lip Rocks. So this is going to be a lip scrub to give us the softest lips in town. I'm all for that, especially here in the winter. And sugar cookie, I mean, that's perfect. I love so much that this is clean beauty. I really try and make as many of the choices as I can in my life to be clean beauty. There are of course things we choose that aren't clean beauty, but I figure the more choices that I make that are, paraben, phthalates, silicone free, all of the frees, the more of that I'm choosing, the better. So when we open this up, it smells so good. It is, can you guys tell how chunky that is? It is so, oh my gosh, it's like a rock. Wow, this is really gonna exfoliate your lips. Can you see on my finger how, let's see if I can turn it and you can tell how chunky, oh there we go, how chunky it is and how oily. Oh, it smells so good. I kind of wanna, but I can't. Cannot. Freshly lipped. This is the I Am lip that was in my FabFitFun box. I love that color. It's especially perfect for here at Christmas. And the paperwork says Dirty Lambs Sugar Cookie Lip Rocks. It has a $24 value, and the value of your box will be at least $85. And did I tell you that it is a $23 monthly subscription? So you're getting really good value. How sweet it is. Pucker up for this lip scrub that will rock your palate. Exfoliate dryness to reveal softness as delicious as a freshly baked sugar cookie. It does smell like a freshly baked sugar cookie. Okay, reaching in next, we have Mountain Clay, Mountain Rain, Ancient Clay Earthy Soap. And that is what that looks like. I love those Christmas lights behind me. And the paperwork says Zion Health Ancient Clay Soap. This has a $1.50 value, and it says crafted with coconut oil, shea butter, and 57 trace minerals. This small and mighty ancient clay soap bar is either Mountain Rain or frankincense, and it will moisturize and stimulate your skin's renewal while you enjoy the sense of serenity. Well, you know what? Let's go ahead and open it and smell it. You guys know I love body bar soaps. Oh, that smells so good and fresh. That is a great way to try it. I think Zion Health, I think my Whole Foods carries Zion Health if I recall. That smells so good. Also, if you try it and you like it, Kinder does a marketplace and they have great prices in their marketplace. Reaching in next, we have something wrapped up nicely. Actually, it's all wrapped up very nicely. We have Coastin Highlighter. It is a Jasmine Beauty. So as with everything, this will be clean beauty, which I love, especially in powders too, because they put a lot of things in powders that I don't love putting all over my face. When we get it out, that is what it looks like. It's a pretty yellow with this nice green fronds on it. Oh, mine came a little broken. So I'm gonna lift it just like that. It's really, really pretty, but you can see it's a little cracked. I'm gonna take the lid off of it to see if it needs to be pressed. I can easily press it back in, but I don't feel, oh yeah, it does. I was gonna say, I'm not sure if it needs to be pressed back in, but it does. I'm gonna put just a skosh on my finger. It's really pretty. Actually, I think because of the color of this with my super light skin, I think I would be more inclined to use that as an eyeshadow. That is so pretty and shiny. Very pretty. The Jasmine Beauty Coastal Highlighter has a $28 value, and it says this highlighter is as buildable as it is weightless. Nourish your skin with calming ingredients such as white tea, safflower oil, and camellia flower while gifting your cheekbones the ultimate glow. It does feel very smooth and creamy. Not creamy like a cream, but just not at all dry. That is gorgeous. Next out, something also wrapped very nicely. We have a Cuccio Beauty Yoga Paws, and this is the peppermint and sage. I love the scent of all of these Cuccio beauties. But that is what that looks like. What does the paperwork say? Cuccio Somatology Pause Meditation Mist. It has a $32 value and it says inhale, exhale, a meditation mist to enable that moment of pause from your busy lifestyle. Is there any other time of year? I don't know about you, but there is no other time that I could use a pause button. Spritz this heavenly blend of peppermint and sage on everything from your yoga mat to your desk chair to your car to your pillowcase. Instant zen. Okay, well, good we read that first because I was getting ready to spray me. So we will just spray it into the box and we'll see what it smells like. It's going to be nice and pepperminty though. Oh, it does. It smells like a candy cane. Oh, that smells so good. I can't smell the sage as much as the peppermint, but of course, especially this time of year, this is perfect. I kind of want to spray this all over all of my living room furniture because then it would smell like peppermint, like candy canes. I don't have my candy canes on the tree. I put them beside the tree this year because the kids come usually and they're always looking for them, and I put them in a nice little Christmas cup to make it easy. I know that's not the point. Anyway, point being, I love the smell of peppermint. Okay, and last out, we have a retinol serum, and it is from Lily Anna Naturals. That is what it looks like. You guys know I can't do retinols with my super sensitive skin, so I won't get into this. We'll save it to pass along. Well, I mean, I'm gonna open the box. I'm just not gonna open the bottle. It's a really pretty box. I love it. It kind of has a almost pretty, something about it reads vintage to me. And when we take it out, oh yeah, it's just so pretty. How pretty would that be sitting on your vanity? I love the look of that. And the paperwork says, Lily Anna Naturals High Potency Retinol Serum, $27 value, gently boost your skin's natural collagen, reduce the look of dark spots, and enhance your skin's natural elasticity with this powerhouse serum. Treat your skin with retinol, niacinamide, and hyaluronic acid, and calm with chamomile and cucumber extracts. So it sounds like it's really, really good for you, but I find retinols just with my super sensitive skin, guys. You guys know I really struggle with the retinols. Okay, that was the Kinder Beauty Box Inhale. We have 5 products, and like I said, the beauty is they are all clean, vegan, cruelty-free. You can use them on yourself without worry. I love that. So we have the soap, the lip rocks, which smell like a sugar cookie, the highlighter that I think I would use as an eyeshadow, the Cuccio spray for your yoga mat or whatever you want to spray it on that smells like a candy cane and it smells delicious, and the retinol serum. I will put the link below along with my code 50Kathrin, and that will get you $13 off if you do a 6-month or more subscription. And with that subscription, you will also receive an OC set, and you'll see that when you sign up. And I believe if you do single box, your first box will be 50% off. All right, thank you so much for coming by, guys. I am so happy to be taping, and I will see you again really soon, I hope. Thank you so much to Kinder for sending this over and sponsoring the video. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. Take care out there, guys. Bye-bye.